Chapter 5 More on MS PowerPoint 2016. A theme is a predefined combination of colors, fonts, and effects. Different themes also use different slide layouts. You can choose from a variety of new themes at any time, giving your entire presentation a consistent, professional look. In PowerPoint, themes give you a quick and easy way to change the design of your presentation. They control the primary color palette, basic fonts, slide layout, and other important elements. All of the elements of a theme work well together. Each theme uses its own set of slide layouts. These layouts control the way your content is arranged, so the effect can be dramatic. Applying themes. All themes included in PowerPoint are located in Themes group on the Design tab. Themes can be applied or changed at any time. To apply a theme, Step 1. Select the Design tab on the ribbon and then locate the Themes group. Each image represents a theme. Step 2. Click the More drop-down arrow to see all the available themes. Step 3. Move over a theme to see a live preview of it in the presentation. Select the desired theme by clicking on it. Step 4. The theme will be applied to the entire presentation. To apply a different theme, simply select it from the Design tab. Step 5. Once you have applied a theme, you can also select a variant for that theme from the Variants group. Variants use different theme colors while preserving a theme's overall look. Changing background of slides. You can change the background of the slides. It will change the look of the slides. Background comes in a few styles: solid, gradient, picture, or texture and pattern. Step 1. Go to the Design tab. Step 2. Click the Format Background option in the Customize group. Step 3. In the Format Background pane that appears, select the type of fill style for your slide background under the Fill section. Click on Apply to All. It will immediately apply to all the slides. Step 4. Click on the Color button. If you want to select a different color than the displayed colors, select the More Colors option from the list. Step 5. The Color dialog box will appear. Step 6. Click and choose the color you want from Standard Colors. You can also create your own colors from More Colors option. Step 7. Click to Apply to All tab to apply the color scheme to all the slides. Step 8. Click on the Close button to close the Format Background task pane. Smart Lookup. The new Smart Lookup feature in PowerPoint 2016 is an option that brings up definitions, images, and other results from various online resources about a word or phrase right within PowerPoint. It finds information related to a word on the web using the search engine Bing. PowerPoint's online documentation sometimes calls this feature Insights. To bring up the Smart Lookup task pane, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the word or phrase on the slide that you want to search. Step 2. Click the Review tab on the ribbon. Step 3. Click the Smart Lookup button in the Insights group on the Review tab. Or right-click the selected word or term and from the contextual menu that appears, select the Smart Lookup option. Step 4. The Smart Lookup task pane will appear on the right side of the slide with results from various online sources. It contains two tabs, Explore and Define. The Explore tab contains information related to the selected text from different online resources. The Define tab contains the definition and pronunciation for the selected text. You can also type the required word within the Tell Me text box. This will bring up the Tell Me drop-down list. Select the Smart Lookup option from the list. Ink annotation. While presenting and interacting with your audience, you may want to make some notes on the slides, such as circling a word, underlining a phrase, or highlighting a key concept. In PowerPoint, you can review and comment on a presentation by using the pens and ink tools that are available. It can change your static slide into a whiteboard upon which you can doodle and write. Making these changes is called annotating. You can also convert the hand-drawn shapes to uniform geometric shapes by selecting them and then selecting Convert to Shapes. Handwriting notes. To write notes or text in your own handwriting, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the Review tab and select the Start Inking command from the Ink group. Step 2. Pens tab will be displayed. By default, the pen option is selected in the right group. Choose a colored pen from the Pens group. The right group has the following options. Pen. You can insert ink strokes. Highlighter. You can insert highlighter strokes. Eraser. You can use the eraser to erase ink that has been drawn on the page. Lasso select. You can select by drawing a shape. Everything in the shape will be selected. Select object. You can select objects including ink, shapes, and text areas. Step 3. Click on More drop-down arrow to view more options for your selection. Step 4. To change the color or thickness of the pen, click on the Color or Thickness options under the Pens group. Step 5. Now after selecting the ink options, you can write your text with the help of stylus, mouse, or a light pen. Highlighting text. To highlight important points or text in your presentation, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the highlighter tool in the right group on the Pens tab. Step 2. Choose a highlighter from the enlisted options under the Pens group. You can change the color and thickness of the highlighter by clicking on Color and Thickness options under Pens tab. Step 3. Drag your pen or stylus or mouse over the text you want to highlight. Ink art. You can draw in your presentation with the help of Pen tool. Your freehand ink drawings can be converted into ink-drawn shapes. To draw an object or a shape in your presentation, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the Pen tool on the Pens tab in the right group. Step 2. Choose a colored pen from the Pens group, and to change the color or thickness of the pen, click on the Color and Thickness options under the Pens group. Step 3. Select the option Ink to Shape in the Ink Art group on the Pens tab. Step 4. Draw a shape and you will see it will automatically be converted into a similar geometric shape. Deleting annotations. We can use the eraser to erase ink that has been drawn on the page. Follow the given steps to delete the annotations. Step 1. Select the Eraser tool in the right group on the Pens tab. Step 2. Click on the eraser type from the options given by clicking on the drop-down arrow of the eraser option. Step 3. Move the eraser over the text or drawing that you want to erase. Ink equations. Ink equations feature allows to insert math equations in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. This is designed to be used with a tablet pen on a tablet PC. You can use your finger or a stylus to write equations directly on the screen, and PowerPoint converts them into text. However, you can use ink equations with other input devices, including a mouse. To add ink equations, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the Insert tab. Step 2. Click on Equation button drop-down arrow in the Symbols group. Step 3. Select the ink equation option from the displayed list. Step 4. The Math Input Control dialog box appears. Bring the mouse pointer on the light yellow colored grid area. A small black dot appears. That's your cursor for writing your equation. The grid area will expand up and to the right as needed. For our example, write equation for the area of a circle. Step 5. Select the Erase tool from the toolbar at the bottom if required. Step 6. Click on the Insert button present at the bottom of the dialog box. Viewing a presentation. PowerPoint includes several different slide views which are all useful for various tasks. The slide view commands are located in the bottom right of the PowerPoint window. You can also see the view buttons in the Presentation Views group on the View tab. The normal view is the editing mode where you will work most frequently to create your slides. By default, a user works in normal view. It displays slide thumbnails on the left. In Slides navigation pane, a large window showing the current slide in slide pane and a section below the current slide where you can type your speaker notes for that slide in Notes pane. You can open the normal view from the taskbar at the bottom of the slide window or from the View tab on the ribbon. The Outline view is used to create an outline or storyboard for your presentation. It displays only the text on your slides, not pictures or other graphical items. This view allows you to edit the text on the slides and view the contents of all the slides at once. The Slide Sorter view displays all the slides in your presentation in horizontally sequenced thumbnails. It displays the miniature view of all slides of a presentation. Slide Sorter view is helpful if you need to reorganize your slides. You can just click and drag your slides to a new location or add sections to organize your slides into meaningful groups. You can open the Slide Sorter view from the taskbar at the bottom of the slide window or from the View tab on the ribbon. The Notes pane is located beneath the slide window. You can print your notes to distribute them among your audience or just include them in your presentation as cues for yourself while presenting. You can show or hide your speaker's notes with the Notes button at the bottom of the slide window, or you can open the Notes page view from the View tab on the ribbon. Reading view displays the presentation in a full screen like slideshow view, and it includes a few simple controls to make it easy to flip through the slides. Most people reviewing a PowerPoint presentation without a presenter will want to use Reading view. You can open the Reading view from the taskbar at the bottom of the slide window. Lesson sum up. A theme is a predefined combination of colors, fonts, and effects. Different themes also use different slide layouts. You can change the background of the slides. It will change the look of the slides. Smart Lookup feature helps to find definitions, images, and other results from various online resources about a word or phrase using search engine Bing. Option: using search engine Binge. Ink annotation enables you to annotate with ink, to write, create notes, or highlight concept. Normal view is the editing mode which is used to write and design a presentation. Outline view is used to create an outline or storyboard for your presentation. Slide Sorter view displays all the slides in your presentation in horizontally sequenced thumbnails. The Notes pane is located beneath the slide window. Reading view displays the presentation in a full screen.